Kids don't come with the intentions of being mean. It's the way they phrase it that might hurt her feelings. It might be, oh, why do you smile weird? Or why do you smile like that? She doesn't like to explain herself.
As she grows, it's something that can be noticeable, and then you start worrying more and more.
I think that it would be nice that we live in a world where we all accept each other with our differences, but that's not how things are. We decided to have the surgery so she can live her life to the fullest and just not ever have to worry about explaining herself.
Now, I want to see you show me all your teeth. Someone who is unable to express emotions on their face tends to really struggle with their self-image, are at much higher risk of depression. What we found over the years is that restoring the ability to smile has incredible effects.
Next one, give me a big smile and show your teeth.
When human beings smile, it's generally not a simple little pull of the corner of the mouth. We smile with our eyes. What we've worked on is a new strategy. We take muscle from another area of the body, but instead of implanting a single vector of pull, we've been experimenting for many years now with splitting the muscle into multiple strips. We've called this our trivector gracilis free tissue transfer. Trivector meaning we've got one vector for the corner, one vector for the upper lip, another vector for the eyes.
I'm so proud of you. They already took her when they closed the doors, and then it's like, okay, everything's gonna be okay.
Being so brave, you're doing such a good job.
The surgery went terrific. We had a great team. It couldn't have gone more smoothly.
After the surgery, it was a lot of work ahead of us, but I wasn't worried anymore.
Having a team of experts who know how to coach kids and adults, how to use this new musculature, these new neural inputs, it has a very powerful correlation with the ultimate outcomes.
Look what I can do! And then she moves her. It was so sweet when her cheek was lifting, we cried.
I love my smile. Yeah, I'm so happy with it.
And if you can smile for me.
We're less than a year out, which means that there's years of improvement to go, but already she's done spectacularly well. She's able to do different versions of a smile, and critically, when she smiles, her eyes squint a little bit like a real natural emotional smile.
For me as a parent, it was really hard to trust somebody. I'm really happy and blessed that we come across the Cleveland Clinic to help us.
I worried often for those last 10 years about how her life was gonna be. Now I can relax and know that she's gonna be okay. It was a really hard journey that we went through, but I will never regret it.